Hello guys, this is Vishal and today we are going to unbox and review the Noiseshots XO. I bought it from the Noise website itself for a price of 4,999. I'll give the coupon code in the description box. Go check it out and let's go ahead and unbox it in 3, 2 and 1. So here is the Noise XO box itself. As we go back and see, we have the specifications of IPX7 waterproofing and Bluetooth version 5.0. Now let's unpack the product. And the other features of Noiseshots X are they have full touch controls, and the feature that I like the most is it supports USB Type-C charging, and it have a wireless charging also. And the main improvement in Noise XO is they have inserted Qualcomm chipset, aptX and AAC codec support, and I think these are the first TWS earphones in Noise to have Qualcomm technology. So here are the earphones. Let's take it out from the box. So this is the charging case of the Noiseshots XO. This have a capacity of 720 mAh, which gives a playback of 36 hours, and the earbuds each have a power of 40 mAh, and they give a playback time of 6 hours each. And now let's keep it inside the box. Now let's keep the case aside and see what else we have in the box. And I've recorded this audio in Noiseshots XO itself. So you might be thinking how I've recorded it. I've recorded it during the editing. I've gave a voiceover, and we got a pouch over here. And now let's keep it inside the pouch. So let's keep it aside and see the paperwork which we have in the box. This is the user manual which we usually get. And let's keep it aside. So here is the registration card. You have to scan it and get your product registered. And here we have the charger cable and the some other rubber tips. So this is a Type-C charging cable, and here are some quick specs about the Noiseshots XO. And I hope you liked the video, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.